In today's fast-paced digital world, content creators are constantly seeking innovative ways to capture and retain their audience's attention. One emerging trend is the creation of short, engaging video content from existing long-form videos. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to harness the power of CapCut artificial intelligence to efficiently transform your long-form video content into captivating shorts for free. This CapCut tool offers unparalleled efficiency and precision in identifying key moments, themes, and highlights within a long-form video, making it an indispensable tool for content creators. Begin by opening CapCut web version. On the main page, click on the first option, Long-Form to Shorts. Once you've selected this option, the next step is to upload your long-form video. So I will use this Think Media video as an example. Ensure the video you are using is of high quality and free of any copyright restrictions. Before the CapCut AI begins its analysis, you'll need to set various parameters. These can include the desired length of the short video, specific themes or keywords to focus on, and any style preferences. The more precise you are, the more tailored the output will be. With your parameters set, the AI tool will analyze your long-form video. It uses sophisticated algorithms to identify significant moments, transitions, and potential points of interest. This process may take some time, depending on the video's length and complexity. After it completes generating the videos, it's crucial to review and refine the output. While AI can make educated guesses about content importance, your creative insight will ensure the final product resonates with your audience. Adjust the edit points, add text overlays, or change the background music as needed. Once you're satisfied with the edit, export the video in the format best suited for your chosen platform, whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. CapCut AI tools typically offer optimized export settings for different platforms to ensure your video looks its best. For more insightful tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep creating and innovating. Thank you for watching.